Watch the car. Yeah, he's going to town. Ooh, he's a crazy fast eater. Oh, now he's washing his teeth upside down. Look at him. What the heck's he doing? He's gonna do some pull-ups to work off all that pine cone. Well, he's hungry, yeah.